Bored with your old stuff? Let's give them a fun, crafty twist. First up, the cereal box organizer. Grab an empty box, some colorful wrapping paper, and voila! Cut the box to your desired height, then wrap it with the paper, securing it with glue or tape. You've got yourself a nifty desk buddy. Add dividers inside for extra organization. Need a cool plant holder? How about a tin can makeover? Paint it, wrap it with twine, and boom. For a rustic look, use natural twine and add a few beads or buttons. Your plants are living stylishly. Don't forget to punch a few drainage holes at the bottom. Got some old t-shirts lying around? Turn them into trendy tote bags. Cut off the sleeves and neckline, then tie the bottom hem into knots. Just cut, tie, and you're ready to rock that eco-friendly fashion. For added strength, sew the bottom instead of tying. And don't toss those mason jars. Make cute candle holders by adding a bit of paint and glitter. Use a sponge brush for an even coat and let it dry completely. Perfect for setting the mood. Add a ribbon around the neck for a finishing touch. Last but not least, the epic photo wall. Use fairy lights and clips to display your favorite memories. Arrange the lights in a zigzag pattern for a dynamic look. It's like your own little art gallery. Use washi tape to create fun borders around your photos. So what are you waiting for? Grab your supplies and start crafting. Remember, the key is to have fun and be creative. Your home's about to get a whole lot cooler.